Okay, this is my patient Denise. She has had stem cell therapy in her right knee, and she's got a great story. So tell us what it's like before and after, and what do you think of it?
It was really bad before. I was in pain 24/7. I couldn't sleep through the night because twisting in the bed would cause pain in my knee, and it would wake me up. I couldn't walk very far without my knee causing so much pain that sometimes I would collapse. And the pain got so bad sometimes that I would actually try and walk and I would actually throw up because the pain would just like come to this amazing crescendo, like somebody was stabbing me in the knee. I really went into a lot of depression. I really pulled away from family and friends because I knew I couldn't walk and I knew I couldn't get around, and it was very frustrating.
Wow.
And so
Really changed
sorry.
things, didn't it?
Sorry, yeah. I saw Dr. Hansen on TV and came in and went, I'll do anything. I'll do anything. And the orthopedic surgeon that I've been working with said I was 3 to 4 years away from knee replacement. And so now it's been a month. I sleep through the night. I can walk. It's like, as of right now, 80% of the pain I was experiencing, 85% is gone. It's like a miracle. And
it was fast, wasn't it?
it was really fast. I was sleeping through the night in a week. Like the pain at night from it just twisting was gone in a week. And it's amazing. It's so amazing. And I think I don't understand how this could be here and the orthopedic people aren't using this. They're not helping people who are in pain all the time. They just keep saying, nope, you're not bad enough for a knee replacement. You just have to live with it. And I have so many friends who are addicted to narcotics right now because it's the only way they can make it through life. And I knew that's where I was going until this. And now my life is different. My life has completely changed. And I just can't tell you how amazing it is.
Yeah, you're so happy you want to cry.
Yeah.
And your friends see it in you too, don't they?
Yeah. Oh gosh, yeah. Everybody's commenting on the fact that all of a sudden it's like, oh, you're happy again. What's going on? And I'm like, it's amazing when you're not in pain 24/7. It's absolutely amazing not to be in pain. I just didn't think it was going to happen again.
Great, so awesome. Love to see you walking without a limp and feeling great and happy again.
Yes.
All right.
I will be very happy. I am very happy.
Thanks for sharing that story. Now, we said we gave you 30 million stem cells in that injection, and they're just so amazing. It stimulates the body to heal itself, makes your own stem cells work better, makes new cartilage, new meniscus, and you're just going to keep getting better. We'll follow up once a year now to give you a booster of PRP if you need it, just to keep it going. But this is so amazing. It's your own body healing. And
everybody just needs to, honestly, this is just like the best thing that ever happened. It's worth every penny to be out of pain.
Awesome. Thanks, Denise.
Okay.